In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable automatic updates for plugins and themes in WordPress. Keeping everything updated is essential for security, performance, and stability, and enabling auto updates helps you avoid missing important fixes or improvements. Let's start with plugins. Once you're logged into your WordPress dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Plugins. Then choose Installed Plugins. This will display a list of all the plugins currently on your site. In this list, you'll see a column labeled Automatic Updates. Next to each plugin, there is an option that says Enable Auto Updates. Simply click this option for any plugin you want WordPress to update automatically. Once enabled, WordPress will handle future updates for that plugin without requiring any manual action from you. Now let's move on to themes. From the dashboard menu, click on Appearance, then select Themes. You will see all the themes installed on your site. Click on the theme you want to manage, usually your active theme. A details window will open and inside it you will find an option to enable auto updates. Click it and WordPress will automatically keep that theme up to date as well. That's all there is to it. By enabling auto updates for both plugins and themes, you help protect your site from security risks and ensure it continues to run smoothly with the latest features. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more easy WordPress tips.